expanding your vocabulary, synonyms and antonyms. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're delving deeper into the magical world of the English language. Our focus will be on understanding and using synonyms and antonyms, a crucial element to amplify your vocabulary. Remember, mastering these tools will allow you to express yourself in a more nuanced and effective way. So, let's get started. Before diving into practice, let's quickly review. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. Think about happy and joyful. They convey the same basic sentiment. On the other hand, antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. An example? Happy and sad. They certainly don't mean the same thing. To fortify your understanding, let's review some common pairs of synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms: happy, joyful, fast, quick, important, significant. Antonyms: happy, sad, fast, slow, important, trivial. Bear in mind, the English language is filled with nuances, so while these words are similar or opposite, they might not be perfectly interchangeable in all contexts. Now, let's create some sentences using these words to practice. Synonyms example: the cheetah is very fast. This is the same as saying, the cheetah is very quick. Antonyms example: the news is extremely important. In contrast, we could say, the news is far from trivial. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll get with these words and their nuances. Remember, constant review is the key to retaining new vocabulary. After this video, practice using these words in your daily conversations or writings. Challenge yourself. Try to use new synonyms and antonyms each day. And don't hesitate to come back and review this video as often as you need. Well done, everyone. You've now boosted your understanding of synonyms and antonyms in English. This tool is a cornerstone in advancing your English proficiency. As always, keep practicing, stay curious, and continue exploring the beauty of the English language. Until our next video, keep learning and stay inspired.